Yeah, so be careful, but I think there's angles, and especially when we bring it back around to e-commerce, certainly areas to be automated. I remember when West Side Rentals just started. Now they have West Side Rentals, I know all over California. I don't know if it's made it out of California yet, but big business and big opportunity, especially if you're e-commerce savvy.
How about
And
as
I
a
would like to
realtor?
respond to that. My very good friend Warren Buffett once said, he was standing in front of a group of people, and one of the reporters said, "Hey, Warren, did you notice you lost $10 million in the market today?" And he looked around and he said, "No, I did not. I won't lose any money until I sell that investment. It's going right back up."
That's
And
right.
that brings up a very good point. You're right, Dave. If you sell at the wrong time, you can lose money on anything. You go into these investments, you go into these things, whether it's a small business, whether it's a large company, you go into these things knowing you're in it for the long haul, as over time, it will grow. And again, you're correct. You are correct. If you sell at the wrong time, you're in for a bad.
And just, I think, so being in a financial position, if you're going to hold it or if you're trying to come in and out. So I'm with you.
How about as a realtor, right?